The RiskIQ Security Intelligence Services add-on brings RiskIQ's threat intelligence directly within the Splunk. This includes the 6 attack analytics modules that are sold under Security Intelligence Services. These include newly observed domains, newly observed hosts, malware blacklist, phishing blacklist, scam blacklist, and content blacklist. Once the add-on's been installed and configured, you'll have a dashboard here that represents the information that's being ingested. This information is not only useful for understanding the total amount of data that comes from each one of the different module sources, but it also gives you an indication of how much data to expect so you can plan around your licensing. What's useful about this data is being able to actually search it. So for example, if I want to search for phish related to COVID-19, I can pick the specific source type, in this case, the phish list, select COVID, expand my window out to all time, and see all of the infrastructure that's ever been seen on our phish list related to COVID-19. If I wanted to say identify malware that is potentially injecting into a website, I could query for that particular index and see all the results there. Each one of these is broken out by field type, so you can easily build a dashboard on top of it. Finally, if I wanted to do something like search for any newly observed hosts that mentions the word election, I could easily do that. And as I just stated, the follow-on actions that we could do with this data is of course correlate it with all of our internal log telemetry, but I could also save this as a report, a dashboard panel, or generate an alert. Splunk has built-in alert functionality that allows for triggering conditions so that over a period of time, if there was an increase in election or particular brand keyword, I could organize and alert my team to that activity. Additionally, I could go as far as creating a simple dashboard like this, wherein I am plotting on the top ham, I'm plotting the number of observed pieces of infrastructure related to the keyword election, and on the bottom side, the dates under which I observed it and the counts associated with the individual indexes from where it came from. While just an add-on and it doesn't provide a rich user experience, being able to have the threat intelligence ingested into Splunk automatically makes the data a lot more actionable. And so being able to search upon this is something that you could do freely because the data exists within your Splunk index. For more information about this particular integration in the application add-on, you can see the RiskIQ integration page or the Splunk-based page. And then for additional details in configuring this particular add-on, you can do so at the Security Intelligence Services add-on support guide, which details what to expect in terms of indexes and other details.